So guys, this is the outcome of our delicious crepes. You can see how lovely and beautiful this is looking. So I'm sure you enjoyed this tutorial. So because of that, please kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Mariejum kitchen channel if you haven't, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to always get notified each time I upload a new video. So if you are new here on this channel, oh my, you are greatly welcome to the family. We are so happy to have you here. And to my old subscribers, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. I love you all. Mwah. You are all a darling. And don't forget to comment and share this video. Until the next class, Mariejum is signing out and I'm saying bye for now. Love ya.